Hi everyone, and welcome to this week's Market Outlook from Exness. In this video, we're looking at an idea for trading this week, with the narrative behind that idea and what traders need to be aware of in upcoming news and economic releases over the next few days. I'm Michael Stark, Financial Content Manager at Exness, and joining me is Stanislav Vernikov, Trading Specialist. Thank you very much, Stan, for joining us.
Hello, Michael. Thank you for having me today.
A long anticipated one this week. What is the idea for trading for the next few days?
Yeah, true. This is a big day because we will have publication of CPI late in the day in the American session. And what we see, I think the most interesting idea is the potential recovery of Bitcoin, because we've seen that it had outperformed the rest of cryptocurrencies, and the momentum is pretty remarkable. So it had recovered more than 15% from the bottom, outperforming all other cryptocurrencies. And there is a rotation, clear rotation between Bitcoin and Ethereum. Ethereum was favorable throughout the last months, August, July, and other months. So Bitcoin was the loser basically. Now it's getting back. So I would say it strikes back. And we can try to ride this momentum as shown on the chart. For momentum trade, basically, you might try to buy the top, but you have to be very careful because stop loss should not be very distant here. In case it doesn't work, the momentum trader just drops the position and skips it. So the risk management should be quite tight here.
And what is the narrative or narratives behind that possible buying trade for Bitcoin?
Yeah, basically it's easing inflation expectations. They are moving down. Energy prices are moving down across Europe. So this easing is happening. We don't know why. Maybe market is looking forward for some kind of geopolitical easing or whatever. But we see what we see. We see inflation expectations are easing. And today will be the aha moment for the markets. We will see the real CPI for August. So the forecasted number of the annual inflation is 8.1%. In case it will be lower, I think that cyclical assets such as stock indices and cryptos might get the new uptick or the new bullish impulse.
Okay, so the key focus then is on inflation. Is there anything else that we're looking at on the economic calendar this week?
Yeah, true. So inflation is the main indicator today to monitor. Then tomorrow it will be interest rate decision. But inflation is actually the main publication for today. So investors and traders will very carefully monitor for this publication.
So in summary then, the key idea for a possible trade this week is buying Bitcoin, which might move up amid fairly high momentum to around $25,000. And the key narrative that's driving that is the lower expectations for inflation and lower energy prices, which brings to the fore cyclical assets such as shares and Bitcoin. And the most important data that traders are focusing on this week is CPI from the USI. Thank you very much, Stan, for joining us to give us the idea and the rationale behind it.
Thanks, Michael. Have a good trading week, everyone.